Today I have some amazing and spicy, delicious chicken tenders.
Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take some thyme leaves off 5 or 6 fresh thyme sprigs. Then we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of Erotico pepper. It is a very hot pepper. It's delicious. You're gonna love it. Then we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper and 3 tablespoons of fresh plain yogurt. This is my secret ingredient. And here we're gonna place about a pound of chicken tenders. That's about 10 to 12. And you can leave them in the yogurt even overnight. They're gonna be perfect if you cook them the next day, and it'll be delicious just as well if you cook them immediately. I usually season a lot of chicken tenders when I come from the market, and then I vacuum pack them and freeze them. Now we're gonna place them over a non-stick baking pan. You can use some parchment paper if you want to. We're gonna place them on the pan and bake them at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. We have a whole week of chicken tenders. We've done them on a grill, on a panini grill, and now in the oven. I usually place a weight on top of my chicken tenders and my chicken breasts. This allows for them to cook evenly, the center and the edges, and they come out looking beautiful. These weights are sold for grills, for outdoors. They help create grill marks on your food. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy, Chef Pachi!